So earlier I did a systems problem where I was able to just subtract the equations and get the expression that it was looking for. But this case, I don't really see a way to do that through addition or subtraction. Um, we could do the substitution method, but I think this one is definitely a perfect candidate for Desmos. So I'm going to hop over to Desmos here, and I am going to throw in y equals 3x plus 2, and then I am going to do 5y equals 13x minus 14, and then we are going to just try to find the intersection. Don't worry about it. You don't really have to zoom in here. Just click on one of the lines, and a point will highlight. And I'll move this up here and do it again. Just click anywhere, and then you are going to have a point highlight. That will be the intersection. Don't worry about like zooming in too much or going crazy with that. So now I know the intersection is negative 12, negative 34. So I hop back here, and I'm going to write that down, negative 12, negative 34, and then I'm going to do what it says. My suggestion is to do this in the calculator. So I'm going to do negative 12 minus parentheses negative 34, and I'm going to get 22. I understand that all of us are capable of doing negative 12 minus negative 34 is negative 12 plus 34, which is 22. I just urge you have the calculator. Use Desmos when necessary, and always have your TI-84 right there. And let it do this kind of math. Let it reduce fractions for you. In general, I think mental math is fantastic, but for this particular test, you want to avoid those silly mistakes because you have no idea how different just one or two questions can make your score, especially if you're right on the cusp of getting the hard versus the easy second section. I have done this problem with students before. They have done it on Desmos. They got the right intersection point, and they give me some answer like negative 46 or negative 22, and it's not because they don't know how to add and subtract. It is simply because of just these mental errors. We're all human. So again, when you have something like this, just do use the calculator. I normally don't give it advice that way, but for the SAT, I think it's really important to just avoid these like silly mistakes.